Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. As you're aware, we have started the SAP Fundamental series of videos. As part of this video series, we have been learning the fundamental concepts which are very important in your uh, day-to-day basis as a SAP consultant. It can be SAP BW, SAP ABAP, or it can be even functional consultants also, right? So as part of today's session, we will be learning one important transaction code using which you can find out a program associated with a transaction code or T code. So as you are aware, we as a SAP consultant mostly deals with T code, correct? When we log into SAP GUI, graphical user interface, be it a technical consultant, be it a functional consultant, be it a function, our basis consultant or even security consultant, everybody will go to their respective transaction code and then they will follow the set of procedure in that particular T code, right? Based on their need. But as part of today's session, what we'll be learning is we'll see how can we find out the actual main program associated with a particular transaction code. So if you are a core ABAPer and if you want to understand what are the logic which is being implemented behind a particular transaction code, a particular transaction code can be a standard transaction code or it can be custom transaction code, correct? If it's a standard transaction code, obviously the standard transaction code will be associated with a standard program. But if it's a custom T code or transaction code, obviously that custom T code might be associated with a either custom program or standard program. So today what we are going to learn will help you to find out the main program associated with that particular transaction code, and then as an ABAPer you can go ahead and deep dive and understand what exactly the kind of logic which they have written inside a program. Okay, come on guys, let's start today's session. As you're aware, the purpose of this particular video to find out the procedure or to find out a way that how can we find a program associated with a particular transaction code, right? Let us get into the system. I'm getting into my server. As of now, I'm logging into the EC system. You can get into either BW, SRM, CRM, or even Ariba. Every single system, the procedure remains same. Okay. So assume that as you all are aware, ME23 NT code is used to find out or display the purchase order details present in the system, right? So I'm going to ME23N. Okay. So this is the transaction code which is associated with what? Your the program. So ME23N is the transaction code which is used to display the purchase order, correct? I wanted to identify what is the program associated with ME23N. What is the step? There's a T code called SC93. You have to go to SC93 and here there's an maintain transaction. Okay, this is the transaction code where you as a ABAP consultant we can go and create a custom transaction code also. See here you have display, change and create. I wanted to see ME23N T codes details. Enter ME23N and click on display. See, ME23N belongs to the package ME and there is a short description associated with this particular transaction called display purchase order, and you can also get to know what is the main program, and when we execute this particular T code, what is the default screen which will get called also we have over here, and what is the authorization object. So if you are a security consultant and if you just wanted to ensure a specific set of users are having access to that particular ME21T code, you can just take this authorization group and put it in any of your role and assign to required users. Got it? So this is how you will be able to find out the main program. Now you take this program, go to SC38 transaction code. I'm going to SC38. I'm entering the program name, click on display. You can see over here, you can see there is a report program which is nothing but what? Report is nothing but executable program. You can see entire set of logic which is associated with your ME23N, guys. Okay. Similarly, let us find out is there any program associated with SC38 program T code itself. See, there's a program called RS ABAP program. If you go and execute this program, which is nothing but what? SC38, it will run the SC38. Similarly, let us go and see is there any program associated with SC11 transaction code. If you see over here, every single T code is associated with a program for sure. Okay. See, DD start is for SC11. So let us give a try. I'll go to SC38 and SC11. For SC11 transaction code, the program which is associated with is DD underscore start. Now I am going to SC38 and entering DD start and executing it. See where it is taking? It is taking you to SC11 transaction code. Got it, guys? Hopefully, I hope you guys could able to understand how can you find out the program associated with a particular transaction code as part of this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking online training on SAP ABAP, BW, BW ABAP, BW on HANA, Native HANA and HANA related SQL, you can always reach out to me on my mail ID, that is VENUGOPAL M N 1988@gmail.com. You can also call me on my mobile number, that is +91 followed by 97399839992. Thank you so much guys and have a good one.